she hates me?
Because you harassed me. That is the only reason you didn't get Ocean Goddess.
I never harassed you.
Huh?
What's up,
You're-
Flat?
Did you just moan?
Existence.
Bruh, you harassed me. What are you talking
You
about?
harassed me first.
Flat, are you doing
You
that?
harassed me first. You called me
Azure?
first.
Oh, the event ended.
You
Oh.
were harassing me before.
Why am I still in it then? Explain that.
Exactly, you scammer.
But they don't shut it down automatically. They just tell you when it ends, and then they end it sometime later.
Bruh, sometimes later.
Because apparently they can't do it automatically right when they end their cooldown or whatever.
Bro, disable the Azure orb and all is fine, bro.
Yeah, delete my Azure orb, and then I can't go get more stuff.
Alright, then I shall craft
Actually, wait,
another one and
delete
one
the
day.
event shop.
No, bro. Delete the event entirely.
Okay.
Wait, delete the make everything on the event shop its own category on crafting, so we can make stuff from the from the.
Wait, I want
event
everyone
shop.
in here to go to suggestions. I'm gonna make the suggestions or put in inventory organization.
Okay, I'll upload it.
Aw.
I can spell like goddamn word.
My live Sol reaction.
Here's the player pressure on the yeah.
Okay, day 2 of trying to get the Wind Dancer.
Alright, there you go. Go look in
Oh.
suggestions.
The event has ended. Interesting. Okay. So
Dom-
you just cannot
Wait,
play.
let's see what this dev is saying right now. Someone else is typing an announcement.
Oh wait, really? Oh,
Yes.
it's Walker.
Guys, can you check the event shop? Check the event shop right now.
There's nothing special in the event shop. It's the same
It's like
thing.
you.
They're setting Goku.
What?
You
now?
literally keep harassing me.
You know, if you're suggesting inventory organization, you have to explain.
I think you can do that for me. I'm way too lazy right now.
Okay,
I'm
so inventory organization.
No, I know what it
weapons and
is.
accessories automatically go to your
No,
bag.
you gotta type that. You gotta type that.
Because
Hold on,
look at
suggestion.
pins. I'm a
How
nerd
about you
emoji.
type that? Kill yourself.
Oh, that's weird. That actually hurt my feelings.
The chaotic harassment. Because I
I should ban you.
Okay, so event shop will stay around for a few more days, but
few more
as the rest
days.
But as the rest will not
What?
function, it will still be open.
They're really teasing us.
My live
Question.
reaction.
What's the point of them putting the demo fruit in the event shop if you can't get it?
It was for the memes.
Because the One Piece is real.
Yeah, the One Piece
The
is
One
real.
Piece is real.
If you don't believe that is real, you should put it
Piece
in.
is fake. Real while putting it right out of reach.
How dare you say that? The One Piece
According
is
to this
real.
gift, the One Piece is real.
The One Piece is real.
One Piece is black silver.
Yeah. Oh,
Chaotic, stop harassing me, man.
shut
Hiya.
So high. So
Yo.
If I
high.
get Ocean Goddess in this game.
Yo, Chris, the lightning dog. What's wrong? Is there something wrong?
Play don't pull this.
Did I do something? Alright, then leave me be. Don't harass me.
You harassed me, you said. Stop harassing
Well, it was a valid reason.
me. No, it
Turn on my
wasn't.
camera and perk if you don't be
Yes,
quiet.
it was. Because it was being racist.
I
towards
hope,
me.
I hope Ninja deletes
Honest reaction.
It can delete the ocean goddess.
You know what, Chief? Let's play victim.
Turn it into
I
a
hope you
vanity.
delete the Ocean Goddess.
Oh, I'll
What?
delete my ocean goddess. Let's show you.
Wait.
Everyone play making me not fake.
Wait, can I join my ult and then I'll be able to? Okay, yo, life hack. Life hack, bro. Life hack.
How to get women.
You